Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn the better way to use directives, host directives in Angular 19 explained. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So host directive is a powerful feature introduced in Angular to enhance the reusability of directives by composing host elements with directives rather than using inheritance or other complex approaches. This provides a cleaner, more modular way to apply directive logic to the components or other directives. What is host directive? It's a property you can add to the added component or directives decorator to attach directives to a host element without explicitly declaring them in the template. In Angular, directives are special classes that allow you to manipulate the DOM or modify the behavior of the DOM elements. Okay, so why use host directives? Reusability, composition over inheritance, simplified API, and scoped application means cleaner and the more predictable structure promotes composition, making code more maintainable and readable. Let's say we have a usable directive that adds a tooltip. So basically, I want to add a tooltip. So here you can see that we have demo. Okay, so here you can see that when I hover it, automatically it click on the perform to action. So this component or this directive, sorry, this directive can be used anywhere. How? Let's have a look. So what I do, I have created a tooltip directive.ts file. Okay, so and import the necessary things, that is directive element ref, import render to host listener. Okay, then the selector is app tooltip. Okay, so tooltip text whatever comes from the component file, it will go there and do the rest of the things. Okay, so we have a constructor with element ref and the render too. Okay, so host listener, that is mouse enter. Whenever there's a mouse enter, what we are trying to do, we are going to modify the DOM. So here you can see that the renderer create element, that is span, tooltip text. Okay, then set all the styling like position, background, color, padding, border radius, and everything. Okay, then append these all elements with the tooltip. Okay, then whenever we do the mouse leave, on mouse leave, what we are trying to do, we are going to native element query selector span, get the tooltip, and we are going to remove the child. Okay, so this is what we are trying to do that. Okay, so this is basically a tooltip code. And I have like we can say about we have a 5 tooltips we have to use. So what is the common basic approach that I'm going to use it? Just pass the text over it. How? Let's go to the product component of ts file. So here we can see that we have import that directive. Okay, imports that one, and in the template tool app tooltip, so here I'm going to just pass my text. Okay, app tooltip, right? Just pass the text, and here would be hover me, right? And just close it. Okay, so because here we are using the tooltip directive, right? And this is app tooltip from this directive. So if I go to tooltip, so here you can see that what we have app tooltip. Okay, so what we are trying to use, that is app tooltip over there. Okay, and we have to just pass the text over there. Okay, so common basic approach, so you have to how to call this in the component, just do with the template tooltip and whatever text you want to use wherever. If you have a many components, you can go over there and just pass like this. So don't need to create something like again and again with the tooltip and adding again the styles and everything. So all are in one place, that is tooltip directives. So you need to just pass the text and your work's done. Okay, so here you can see that, right? I want to change the text, so basically I would like to change from the text from here to there like this. Save this, and here you can see. Okay, so no need to like, this code can be reusable anywhere, any place. Okay, I hope you understand, right? So let's do some understanding basic also. So we have already done this, right? Okay, so this is also done. Like how it works, the host directive property in the button component attaches the tooltip directive to components host element button. The inputs mapping tooltip text allows you to bind the values to the directive inputs directly. Benefits: what's the benefit of the traditional approach? No need to add the directive in the parent components template app button tooltip like this. Okay, improved encapsulation, reusability, better code optimize organization. Imagine you have a set of UI components and that need to support various common functionalities like tooltips. Okay, so in that scenario, we can make this one and use it anywhere, any place. Okay, I hope you understand. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.